Welcome to Rita's Kitchen. Today we'll be doing a sauteed romaine chicken salad. But first thing first, in Rita's Kitchen, what must we do? Wash our hands. Alright, hands are clean. Let's get ready to create this light, fresh dish. So, we're doing a sauteed romaine chicken salad. Okay, I know a lot of you guys thinking sauteed romaine. Yes, we're going to saute the lettuce and season it up a bit. Top it off with some great ingredients. Let me let you guys know what I've decided to put on this salad that I think is going to be really tasty. And I'm sure you guys will too. So first, we're going to go with the romaine. We're going to saute that off in a non-stick skillet. We're going to season that up with a little salt and a little crushed red pepper just to give it a little pizzazz. Then we're going to top it off with some Granny Smith green apples sliced down thinly. Then we're going to also use some yellow peppers, slice those thinly as well. Cut the inside out, remove that bitterness. Then we're going to go ahead and add some pistachio nuts, some grape blueberries, and then we're going to saute our chicken on our flat top grill, dice it down, then garnish the plate with some nice edible flowers. What dressing are we using? We are going to use a balsamic vinaigrette. We're going to actually use a balsamic vinaigrette and mix it with a little bold flavor garlic Italian dressing. And the reason I did that is because it has the olive oils, the minced garlic, the lemon, everything that you want to put in the dressing, Italian dressing already got. So why not cut a corner? And you can just add a dab of lemon. Why not? So let's go ahead and get started and put this chicken on the grill. I've already allowed it to marinate for a few hours because I like for my meats to be very, very flavorful when eating anything I cook. I'm going to turn that up a bit. Let that do what it do. Okay, so now you guys see our chicken is on the flat top here cooking. We're going to go ahead and transfer over to our cooking station and saute off this romaine lettuce. So I'll meet you guys over there while my cameraman is following me. Okay, so I've allowed my skillet to get hot and added some olive oil in there. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my romaine lettuce. And don't forget, you guys, to dice your romaine lettuce down and definitely wash it because you want to rinse all your veggies and get all those bacteria and germs out of here. So this is only literally going to take a couple minutes because we just wilting it down and seasoning it right up with a little bit of white salt and just a little bit of crushed pepper. And that's just to bring that spicy kick through all those great vinaigrette flavors that's going to come through. Okay, so romaine has been sauteed. It's on the stove cooling. Chicken is still cooking. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and put together a balsamic vinaigrette for the dressing for our salad. So shake you a few shakes of the balsamic vinegar. Add you some honey for that sweetness to come through that bitterness. Then you want to add you some of that Robusto Italian dressing, bold garlic flavor that is. That's what I'm going with today. And again, this is a nice shortcut. Usually you will just do your lemon, your olive oil, salt, and pepper. And that'll be pretty much a balsamic vinaigrette. And you can doctor it up with some nice herbs. It's totally up to you. And a splash of lemon juice. Now we're going to just whisk that around. And you know what? It's just a little loose, which I love loose. But I'm going to add just a touch of yellow mustard, and it just give it a little thickness, and it's almost a whole different dressing, but actually really good. So you can play with your flavors as much as you want. Whisk that around until that mustard becomes smooth. And trust me, if you have a blender or something and you want to just get it done fast, go right ahead. I do, but I don't know why I didn't today. And that's pretty much what you're looking for your dressing. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and check on this chicken. Which I'm pretty sure is done. So, it's actually only been cooking for about 10 minutes or so. It don't take long for chicken to cook. So I'm just going to cut it down. And you guys can cut yours how you want to. Whew, it's nice and hot too. And some people like theirs diced, some people like it sliced. For my salad, I'm going with a nice slice. So as you see, those are going to be my chickens. And let me show you how juicy that is. And there's nothing raw about it. It's all the way done if you cook on the right temp. And it's very juicy. There it is. So now I'll be back with my final setup, my final plate up. Sauteed romaine chicken salad. Voila.